close and personal. I'm ready.
Okay.
I don't have a nickname as such. My parents didn't give me a nickname, but now a lot of people call me Rids, and yeah, so no nickname. 22nd September, not telling you the year. Jammu, I was born in Jammu. Education, I have done my graduation in psychology honors. I have done my post-graduation in mass communication, specialized in events and public relations. Describe myself in 3 words. Work in progress. Mom, dad, and my brother Akshay. I am close to all 3 of them, but yeah, of course, my brother. I'm closest to him. हम दोनों का जो bond है, I don't, I mean, it's that special that I don't even have to tell him what I'm really feeling. Just by my talking, he'll know what I'm thinking. So, and now it's sort of, multiplied into his wife, Sakshi. She and I share a great relationship. So definitely him, because he was also closer to my age and everything. So yeah, the bonding is different. I mean, obviously you're close to your parents, but, sibling के साथ bonding अलग होती है. I think I was a very, very, I was very clear about not being clear.
Most of us.
In media profession, I think anyone who's growing up not clear ends up in the media profession, because I was very clear I was very clear about what I don't want to do, rather than being clear about what I want to do. I wanted to be at one point an air hostess like everyone does. Then I wanted to be an interior designer like everyone does. Then I wanted to be a psychologist or something to do with psychology. Yeah, but there was never really a plan. I just went along with life, and things started happening when I was in school, college. I started working with Shamak while learning, and I started doing shows with him. So I thought, okay, I'll be interested in events, and that's when I did my post-graduation. And then I worked in Zoom, and I don't know how I started acting.
Okay.
It was Chalo Theek Hai Dekhte Hain. It was really that I have not grown up wanting to be an actor. But yes, I always enjoyed attention. I always enjoyed, like if all girls are told to dance, chalo family ke samne, let's dance. Or if there's a wedding in the family, then a lot of young kids would dance on Mai Ni Mai and all of that, right? 90s kids, most 90s kids would know that. So I was never shy to do that. I would always be like, yeah, okay. And I really enjoyed the stage, So yeah, I think there were these little signs now that I look back that, okay, I wanted to be some sort of, a person on stage or on camera, but I never put it down. I never put down to it and I said, I want to be an actor. No, ऐसा नहीं था कभी भी. But I'm very comfortable in front of the camera. I'm very comfortable I'm also very comfortable emoting in general, it's a release for me, so. It was a show on Z Next called Jhume Jiya Re. Okay, it's always black and I think yellow. Yellow is my favorite color these days. Favorite dish? Favorite dish? Should I tell you a dish from a restaurant? Or should I just generally tell you a dish?
Whatever you want to say, that's okay.
Okay, the angry chicken pasta at Big Chill, Delhi. That's my favorite dish. My favorite perfume is Clinique Happy Heart. I love it so much that I don't wear it as often because I just want to preserve it. I get a bottle, then I get another bottle, and I use very little of it. I'm such an idiot, but honestly, I could just wear it every day. I love that perfume. Favorite season? If I'm in Delhi, if I'm up north, then it's winters, but in Bombay, it's monsoons. I love monsoons in Bombay. So I'm a big movie buff. It's very difficult for me to say one movie because I definitely enjoy movies in general. Like even if there was a movie that people would walk out of, I would give that movie a go. I'll not leave because I genuinely enjoy watching cinema. जिसको मैं कभी भी देख सकती हूँ. I think that would be. No, yaar. I'd be lying if I said Andaz Apna Apna because I watch a scene and then I shift. I think DDLJ. I think DDLJ has some quality which makes you sit and just. I think you get addicted to it. Like I don't know.
You're a Shah Rukh fan also.
Yeah. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's because of that. But the film I think is a part of our growing up years. So there's. You know everything. Like I know the beat of the pause also in the music, in the background score. So yeah. 5, 4.5. 37 or 5 or 6. I don't know. The numbers change according to.
Okay.
I'm a peaceful bird, very peaceful. But yeah, if you rub me the wrong way, I'm very angry. What am I obsessed with? Currently, I think black coffee. I'm obsessed with black coffee currently. If not shooting, I'm watching films, talking about cinema, or reading, or playing with my nephew. What makes me the happiest? This is a little new for me, but meditation. Apple. Oh, I wouldn't know that. I think people who hang out with me would know that. I really can't say. What would it be? I don't know. Shah Rukh Khan, always and forever. But it's Shah Rukh, it's Leonardo DiCaprio, and like so many actors, yeah. Yeah. Meryl Streep, Madhuri Dixit simply because I've grown up on her films, and yeah, that's it. They're all so good. Everyone's so good. Again, I enjoy music. I love music, so I cannot say any one singer is like, oh my god, what a brilliant singer, because they all, and I can't sing for nuts. So मैं कौन होती हूँ कहने वाली ये favorite singer है. But yeah, I generally enjoy music. So let me see. Let me think. Favorite singer. Do I have a favorite singer? I don't have a favorite singer. Favorite animal? Dogs and cats. Holi and Diwali. I think I like both equally for different reasons, but yeah. I really want to go to Turkey. I don't know why. Every time we plan and it doesn't happen, but Turkey is really on my mind. And Paris, of course. But for two very different reasons. But yeah, Turkey. Tom and Jerry. Oh, shorts and t-shirt. What fills my wardrobe? A lot of dresses, a lot of loose, like tops, and what else fills my dresses? Fills my wardrobe. A lot of scarves. I have so many scarves and I don't wear them because Bombay is so hot. We don't have like winters here, so I don't get to wear my scarves. I have a lot of scarves. Asha is my friend forever. We've not done a fiction show together, but she's definitely, like, I feel we have some past life connection. I feel so rejuvenated when I meet her, and she feels the same way. 3 things I never leave. My house keys for sure. My charger, because Apple, doesn't charge beyond half a day. So definitely my charger. And my glares. I cannot leave my house without my sunglasses. Yes, it was very good. I loved it. I loved that it was rapid and that it was quick. And the fact that you guys probably send in these questions makes me feel really, really happy. Thank you so much for wanting to know tiny little things about me. It was sweet. Hi, this is Riddhi Dogra. You're watching me on Glitz Vision. Do follow the channel. Mwah.